First of all, let us have a gander at the international news. SpaceX crew begins return voyage from International Space Station. For astronauts who arrived at the International Space Station in April for a long-duration science mission, began their return in voyage to Earth on Monday as their SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule separated from the orbiting laboratory for a flight home. Obama slams Russia, China for lack of urgency on climate. Barack Obama expressed confidence at UN climate talks Monday that the Biden administration will ultimately get its $555 billion climate package through Congress and faulted US rivals China and Russia for what he called a dangerous lack of urgency in cutting their own climate-wrecking emissions. Now, let us move on to the national news. Medical colleges seek 20% fee hike. The Karnataka Provincial Colleges Foundation had sought a 20% hike in fees. Medical Education Department officials met private medical and dental college management members to discuss the fees for MBBS and BDS seats for the 2021-22 academic year on Monday. Break from heavy spell, says South Chennai. Unlike North and Central Chennai, the situation was marginally better in many parts of South Chennai, barring some streets where waterlogging continued on Sunday. Main roads in Valacheri, Adambakkam, Adyar, Pallikarani and Manipakkam were free from flooding. Now, let us switch over to the state news. Vietnam ambassador arrives in state for 3 days visit. A 6-member delegation from Vietnam led by Pham San Chow, Vietnamese ambassador to India, has arrived in Kerala for a 3-day visit. The group will be visiting various areas in Thiruvananthapuram and Kollam districts. Infopark Kerala to hold digital campaigns to woo back companies to campuses. Infopark Kerala is planning elaborate digital campaigns to bring back companies and restore campuses life in Infoparks to the pre-COVID times. Less than 10 companies have surrendered space while around 75 new companies, both big and small, have started operation in Infoparks Kochi since March last year. Now it is time for the sports buffs. Indian cricketers' major achievements in Shastri Kohli era. India have had more good days than bad with Ravi Shastri Virat Kohli combination at the helm of affairs, and the cracking partnership of nearly 7 years comes to an end. Manush Reid with titles. India's Manusha and T. Reid Russia bagged the men's and women's single titles in the ITTF Yucatan International Open Table Tennis tournament held in Siuna recently. Now over to the school news.
Welcome to the school news. Today, the LED screen has been inaugurated at our school. It was inaugurated by our Joint Secretary, Sri Vijayan Chetan, Treasurer, Sri Goban Chetan, etc. Principal, all other teaching and non-teaching staff members also participated. This screen will be used for the displaying of the school news and also for the promotion work. Bhaskara Sethupathi Tewar was a Raja of Ramnath. He became the recognized proprietor of Ramnath estate after his father's death in 1873 until 1895. From 1895, he assumed managership of Rameshwaram until 1901. He was regarded as a pious, brilliant and generous ruler by his supporters. His supporters believed that he would regain control of Ramnath estate someday. He died suddenly at the age of 35 in 1903. In 1892, Swami Vivekananda stayed with Bhaskara when he visited Madurai, and he sponsored Vivekananda's visit to Parliament of the World Religion held in Chicago. During his stay, Swami Vivekananda had extensive discussion on Hindu philosophy with eminent scholars like Mahavidwan or Raghava Iyengar. Being the hereditary of Meenakshi Sundareshwara temple in Kamudi, he filed a lawsuit against 15 Nadas on 14 May 1897, who had entered forcefully into the temple despite traditional customs which discouraged them. He sought compensation for the purification of the temple and established that Nadas never have the right to enter temple. However, the Nadas were eventually allowed to enter temples built by higher communities due to new legislations and movements.
After that, now was mind-blowing performance of our child prodigies.
Namaste, I am Tirtha. Birds, parrot, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Crow, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Swan, swan. S-W-A-N, swan. Cock, cock. C-O-C-K, cock. Quill, quill. Q-U-A-I-L, quill. Sparrow, sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Cuckoo. C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo. Pigeon, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Dove, dove. D-O-V-E, dove. Namaste.
Namaste, I am Gaudiya. Water, watering can, potable water, cold water, hot water, lukewarm water, pipe hot, mineral water, distilled water, boiled water, hot water, water bud, flood, deluge, vortex, whirlpool, moisture, jute drops, watercolor, watermelon. Namaste.
That is all for today. See you tomorrow. Namaste.